Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a read-along of one of the books that I wrote and illustrated. Today we're going to do a read-along of Birds in My Backyard, a Suburban Safari. Today, after reading this, if you're interested in owning your own physical copy, just follow the link below in the description and it'll take you to my bookstore. Birds in My Backyard, a Suburban Safari. Written and illustrated by S.R.Pierce. This book is dedicated to all the women in my life who instilled a love of and concern for nature. The sun is up. It's time to go outside. Throw off the covers, grab my jacket, and slip on my boots. Binoculars? Check. Notebook? Check. Sun hat? Check. The sun is warm on my face. The breeze is cool on my cheeks. What will I see outside today? I have my binoculars ready. Today I'm searching for birds. Let's go. Up in a tree I see a red blur. What could it be? It's a northern cardinal. He and his mate are building a nest. Out in the brush, I spot a yellow flash. What could it be? It's a goldfinch. He's perched on purple thistle. Up in the sky, I hear a hoarse call. What could that be? It's two crows. Or 3, 4, 5? Oh, wow. Out near the road, I see lots of brown hopping specks. There are so many. What are they? They are house sparrows munching on a stale biscuit they found. Further down the sidewalk, I hear a loud screech. It's 2 blue jays snatching up dog food. Out near a field, there's a tall dead tree. I hear a steady drum, drum, drumming. What could that be? It's a downy woodpecker. It's pecking away, searching for bugs. The sun is going down. It's getting late. The air is getting cooler. It's time to go home. I walk back to my house. But wait. What is that sound? A faraway hoot, hoo, hoo, hoo. A great horned owl is out on the hunt. Exploring the world around me is so much fun. All I have to do is keep my eyes and ears open. And then after the story, there's a little checklist in the back. Did you spot all these birds in the book? So you make sure to find the black-capped chickadee, the ruby-throated hummingbird, Carolina wrens, tufted titmouse, Cooper's hawk, and the eastern bluebird. And then if we turn the page, also find the northern cardinal, American goldfinch, American crow, blue jay, house sparrow, great horned owl, and the downy woodpecker. The end. And thanks for sitting with me today and doing a read-along.